In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Yandex browser on your Windows computer. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your current browser. This could be any web browser you have installed on your computer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Yandex browser download page. It's important to ensure that you're on the official Yandex site, so double-check the URL to make sure it's legit and secure. Now that you're on the download page, you'll see an option to download the Windows installer file. Click on this to start the download process. The file size is pretty standard, so this shouldn't take too long, depending on your internet speed. While it's downloading, you can take a moment to close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This helps free up system resources, ensuring the installation process goes smoothly. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. A quick tip: you can often access your downloaded files directly through your browser, usually in a tab located at the bottom of the screen. Now, double-click on the installer file to run it. You might notice a pop-up message from Windows asking for permission to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. This is a standard security feature, so go ahead and click Yes to proceed. Now that the installer is running, you'll see an option to install Yandex browser. Click the Install button to initiate the installation process. Patience is key here, so just sit back and wait for it to complete. It might take a few minutes, but it's usually pretty quick. During the installation, avoid shutting down your computer or interrupting the process to ensure everything installs correctly. Once the installation is finished, it's time to launch Yandex browser. You can do this in a couple of ways. Either find it in the Start menu or locate the new desktop icon that's been created for you. If you can't find it right away, try using the search feature in the Start menu by typing Yandex browser. Upon launching it for the first time, you may be prompted to set Yandex as your default browser. This is entirely up to you and can be changed later if necessary. If you decide to make it your default, go ahead and select Yes when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully installed Yandex browser on your Windows PC. It's that simple. In our next video, I'll guide you through customizing its settings and importing your bookmarks for a more personalized experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.